Hello! So, ayun si Teng Teng.
Hello.
Nagluto ako ng lunch ni Teng Teng ng noodles kasi si Lula is kagagaling niya sa ospital. So, hindi muna siya magluto. Ayun siya ang gusto na dito. So, magluto muna ako ng noodles. So,
Hello.
bye-bye to you. How many days ago?
4 days.
2 days. I'll go there. I will come there. Okay, I will just cook your lunch. Who sent you to school? You go by yourself. You go alone.
No, Daddy.
Daddy sent you.
Yeah.
Oh, good.
And Mama and Mommy.
Thank you.
No, Mommy cooked the lunch to me.
Good. Nagluto ako ng egg for me. Sumasakit yung tiyan ko. Kanina
I will wash the clothes and
you wash your clothes and what?
then Charlotte will wash the
Plate.
yes.
Hindi na kasi sila kukuha ng katulong. So, sila na yung ano. And ayan na nga. So, bigay na natin kay Manteng. Puro karne sa noodles. Manteng, here I am. Ayun na nga ang Manting-ting. Yummy? Yummy. Walang vegetable ka. Walang vegetable si amo ko.